Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the 2PED Metaverse token. Ticker symbol is 2PED. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 30th. We're going to go over the information on the 2PED Metaverse token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the 2PED Metaverse offers an exciting gaming module for the 2PED Metaverse players, and this token is being listed January 30th at 6 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Lbank. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search 2PED, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. So January 30th, 6 o'clock UTC time. Now, this project does not have a Twitter or an X.com that I could find. They do have a Telegram. Maybe if I find the Twitter, I'll put it up here. If not, I'll put up probably the announcement on Twitter for this listing here. They have a Telegram, though, that you could find at Metaverse 2PED, and it has almost 1,000 subscribers right now, 997 subscribers. This is a very brand new project. If you check out their BSC scan, they are not even available on Pancakeswap yet. This is a Binance Smart Chain token with a max total supply of 6 billion tokens. There's 18 decimal places on this token. You can find their webpage at 2ped.net, and you can find their Gitbook, their document section, at 2EPD, it looks like somebody spelled 2ped wrong, 2EPD-metaverse.gitbook.io. You could also just find that linked on their webpage there. So the 2PED Metaverse is a virtual universe where members can play, earn, and own digital content in a secret society universe supported by the Binance Smart Chain. Several concepts regarding the basic construction elements of this project will be briefly discussed in the foreword of their document section. So they go over what is a metaverse, what is the Binance Smart Chain, market analysis, and then we get to the game. So the 2PED Metaverse offers an exciting gaming module for 2PED Metaverse players. The game entertains a large audience due to its unique game strategy and gaming mode, besides exciting visuals on the network and in the game. Meanwhile, the blockchain of today attracts gamers naturally due to its intrinsic property of scalability and exposure. So they have the challenges faced by 2PED Metaverse. So it says they come across multiple challenges during its operations and market acceptability. Now, one of them is quality content delivery. So most high precision and high quality projects face two issues: speed and visual quality. Their solution: 2PED Metaverse strikes the right balance among these two while delivering good quality, not compromise speed of the network. And the barrier for market entry is also a problem. So most newer projects face market entry issues. As already huge competition is prevailing in the market, it gets very difficult for newer projects to create a space for themselves So the solution 2PED Metaverse caters to this issue by offering new technologies and easy to understand features. So they also have the DAO, which is a decentralized autonomous organization. So it says the future of 2PED Metaverse is in the hands of the society members. So the DAO will enable users to mutually agree upon the functionality of the secret society game. From the beginning, 2PED Metaverse creators wish to hand over the power to the hands of the community builders. Members will be able to influence crucial decision-making on the platform through created polls and voting in the favor of proposed ideas. The 2PED Metaverse DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization responsible for holding crucial information and data to regulate seamless functionality on the platform. It also holds a substantial amount of 2PED tokens, which enables it to entirely run autonomously, as well as being able to incentivize certain activities on the platform. So the governance structure of the network enables members to participate in the decision making of number 1, the token reserve allocation, number 2, community and fund distribution, number 3, amendments and token supply, and number 4, sponsorships and grants. So in the future, they're also going to offer staking. There's going to be different staking pools, like a standard one and then compounding one, and they have all different time frames and annual percentage yields. So like 90 days would be 5% APY, then we got 7.5% APY for 120 days, and so on and so forth. So the utility token is the 2PED token. The 2PED Metaverse project has its native token called 2PED. It's used across the platform as currency for staking, buying, selling of game assets, and NFT minting on the project is done through the token. The project is constructed on the Binance Smart Chain, hence it supports the MetaMask wallet. So you can use the token for utility. There's going to be NFTs, so the ability of an NFT to provide benefit for the holder. There's also going to be rarities for the NFTs, and scarcity, interoperability, and you can use them for the games, and they're going to be aesthetically pleasing property that holds enhanced visuals, creating value for the NFT. So there's digital collectibles, there's a game, there's entertainment, there's a possible return on investments, there's the APY from the staking pools, and then there's the DAO governance. So those are all the things involved in this project. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting very soon on Lbank. So go check out this project. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.